oh man, I am so excited. I know what's in this box tube. I'm really excited about it. At the beginning of December, I went to American Coaster Enthusiast holiday party at Kalahari near Sandusky, in Sandusky near Cedar Point. And each one of us got a ticket that we could use for drawing, and I put mine in for this, not just the tube, but what's inside. And I'm so excited. Believe it or not, I had a strategy. The same artist had a bunch of things for Cedar Point. There are other really great gifts, ticket packages, and I was like, these people are going to go for ticket packages, they're going to go for Cedar Point stuff. There was one thing that had to do with Kings Island. I'm like, there'll probably be less tickets put in that. I put mine in, and when they did the drawing, believe it or not, I was the only one to put a ticket in for this amazing prize, and I'm just so excited to open it here with you. So let's get started. I really appreciate A.C.E and all they do for coasters. Of course, not just the money they raise to save old coasters, but just their events are so much fun. We had Tony Clark come and talk about what's going on at Cedar Point. There were representatives from a couple different parks, including like Waldameer, and we had over on a video we had things coming up with, wow, this is taped really well, coming up with Kennywood, so that's really cool. Oh man, it's not this. Oh man, it's gonna be harder than I thought. I've never done one of those videos where you like fast forward, but I might have to do that if I don't get this apart as easy as I want it to. Incidentally, I am an artist, and I can tell you, never ship anything flat. You can get punctures in it, you can get wrinkles in it, all kinds of things. If you roll things up, it's much better. It doesn't take much. Oh wow, there's bonuses. I am so happy. So Made to Thrill, one of my favorite designers out there, and I'll probably do a separate video sometime all about him and his work. But I got two great patches, Rivertown, which of course is the Beast, and Blue Ice Cream, which I got to experience this year. Very tasty. But this is what I put the ticket in for. Oh man, I am so excited. Soon you'll see these probably framed on the wall around here. But this is the Mason, Ohio pack. And I definitely am going to have to flatten these. It's just not hard to do. But obviously Mystic Timbers, pretty awesome. Diamondback, what an amazing poster. I am so excited. I wonder if I send these back to him, if he would sign them, because this is pretty incredible. Banshee. I've seen these like on the website and on Instagram, and they're really cool, but to see them in person, I'll tell you what, these are really cool. And then I actually bought this sticker for my sister-in-law this year because it's so cool, but it's clearly the Beast. The little slashes up here. I love the attention to detail though, the layering of the mountains and the woods, and it's a really great poster. So thanks again for A.C.E for the opportunity to get these at raffle. Thanks for Scott for sending them to me, and all the work that he did for the holiday event, and I highly recommend anybody to join ACE, not just because of free gifts, but you get great discounts on hotels, on tickets to parks that maybe you don't have a membership to, and I'm going to continue to be an ACER for a long time. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more. I've really taken a break just to get more used to the equipment that I use, to get some new software, and just become a better editor at video. I've done photography for many years, but the video is new for me, and just really looking forward to the 2019 season and all the fun we're going to have. So look for more informative, fun videos, and thanks again, Ace.